Today I'm going to show you how to install the Gmail app on your iOS device and add an existing Gmail account. From the home screen of your iOS device, open the App Store and select Search. Click into the search bar and type in Gmail. And then hit Search. You may get an ad at the top, so just scroll down past that until you reach Gmail and click on Get. You may be prompted to enter your password or Touch ID, so do that now. Now that the app has installed, we can either click on Open from the store or go to the home screen and open the app from that location. I will now click on Sign In. And since I have an existing Gmail account, I am going to click on Google. As you can see, the Gmail app can support multiple email accounts from Microsoft, Yahoo, or Apple. Click Continue on the security prompt so that the Gmail app can go out to google.com and sign into your account. I will then add the email address that I want to add to this app. And click on Next, and then add in my password. And click on Next. Click on Allow for Gmail to send notifications so that when you get an email, your phone will beep and vibrate if you have it set up that way. Got it, and we can now see all of our emails for that account. Thank you for watching this short training video. Just a sample of what we can do at KyZaK Media. If you'd like to get some more details on this or other services we provide, please check out our website, kyzakmedia.com, or send me an email, info@kyzakmedia.com. Thank you.